Hello guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you will create ringtone, how you will design ringtone, yes, how you will make ringtone according to your inquisitorial desire or choice. Yes, with the help of the virtual DJ. Of course, here you will be able to edit vocal point as well as with echo, flanger, sampler, and of course, whatever does is video in a format. If it's in a video format, however, if you would like to make a ringtone of that one, yes, you will be able to easily cut off your audio format according to your inquisitorial's vocal point. So let's start. Here, yes, I will start virtual DJ firstly. So now it's my virtual DJ software. Now I will track the song. So for example, here I will select here the song. Now here, see, I will start this point from here to here for 30 seconds. So just I will keep in. Now I will make a slow motion of this. Firstly, before here my motive that how you will create and design a ringtone. So ringtone is always coming in the yes audio format. So in audio format, this is a video format. So how I will keep the audio format? So just I will go for yes setting here. Just I will come on a record mode. I will keep this format audio format. Saving point I have already selected by here save file on desktop. Yes, file name I have kept TW. So let me here now just I will cut from here. Now just I will minimize. I will see here there is no any audio format already here, so there is no. Now here I have saved the format of audio. Now I will come here in a master. This is your recording point, so I will start here recording point. I have kept in the slow motion. Echo point according to your choice you can keep. So I have selected always using this point echo variations. Here according to your choice all the function has been given: noise, filter, flanger, of course distortions, but here just I have taken. Now here according to my tutorial, now this one should be high. Vocal point will be of course listenable with good music. So this one will enhance. Now this would be similar, yeah, according to you can keep a low of this point, and this one should be from here 50% is at the moment. You can go for EQ of course at the 70%, no problem at all. But according to just you will have to play 1 to 2 3 times, and then you will be able to of course recognize that what point is going to be good for my ringtones. Here let me check where the vocal point is going to start. For example, let's start. So this one I will select here. Now I will start. Now see guys, point here, see I will select this one is a 2. So once again I will listen. Now vocal point from here I will select. Now I will select a 3. Now let's start. Now I will off here. This is a fine 3. So now I will go for in and for firstly 8 second, and I will go for 3 and OK out. Here I will have to enhance more and echo flasher. Yes, echo variation also I have to go for enhance according to required. Now here 430 second, just I would like to make a ringtones. If you would like to for 60 seconds, just you have to enhance for 60 from here to here, just I have to keep. So I will go for 30 second, that's all. So 32, but I will stop my recording here. Just why to show, because I have already selected 3-1. Now see here demo. Here is going to be finished the vocal point and the music will start. So from here to here, just one I have to, because see here areas where there is an increase, that is a vocal point always. Notice it. Now this one I will keep in a way, of course, a default wave, so it will be easy to understand, of course, where is a coming vocal point and how fluctuating the vocal point. Here you can change sound, yes, qualities, slow motion, fast motion, of course, and this is for moving slow motion and fast motion of this song. So here now I will go for start once again 3. Let's see. More echo is coming, just I will decrease. Now once again I will start here. So guys, here see, now I will come on my recording mode. I will start a recording and just you have to keep here, just click on 3 button, it will start from here to here, and when it comes here, just you have to stop your record mode. So that will be your ringtone for 30 seconds of these clips. So let's start. Here just I will already click. Now I will start. So recording mode will be a start. So let's see. Stop. Now see guys, for 17 seconds I composed ringtone, because maybe there are copyright strike problems and as well as the copyright claims. So that's why actually just my motive that how you will create and how you will design, and how you will extract the vocal point as a ringtones with good sound, with the help of editing the vocal point, as well as if you would like to edit here the sampler also, you would like to add a sampler here. So just what you have to do, go for just go in a sampler in the audio instrument. In instrument you can keep here. Now see so, and when you play, then it will be automatically passed with this song. So this is way, but here here was not required to add of that, so that's why actually. Now let's see where is my ringtones. So see guys, this is my ringtone. Let's start how it's playing. It will be in audio format. So now start. Now see guys, for 18 seconds this one. So this is of course way to, of course, you will create a ringtone of any song from any vocal points. You will be able to easily extract and you will be able to edit of that according to your tutorials. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. If this video has been benefited to you to create your tutorial ringtone, then don't forget like and subscribe my channels and leave the comment how do you like this video tutorials, because yes, this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose. So thank you guys, have a great time.